Okay, that's 21st September 2021, and that's the lab meeting for Tuesday. So I want you to do the following. I want you to download the document P37 Tuesday L02. It is in the shareable folder of my Google Drive. Rename, right? P37 02GX with, with your, or replace X with your group number. By replacing X with your group number. Okay, so here we go. What I'm going, let me make a list of the things. But 1 minute, let me see if I can get you the. Yeah, let me go quickly through the experiment. This presentation is going to be posted there in my account. So there are not many, slides here. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to use a card. No, we're going to use a card. Here you go. There's a card right in here. You cannot see it? Let me see what's going on. Maybe it's the auxiliary. Okay, now you can see it. Good. Okay, what we are going to use is going to be a card. I'm going to get that for you. A track. Okay. And a air pump with a hose. Okay, we have all the stuff here, but there's more. Let's see if I can have. Yeah, let's see. We're going to. Oh, yeah, we are going to use a shim as well, so we can get the track at a given angle. And this cart is going to slide through this track. Okay, this is going to be an experiment very similar to what Galileo did at his time. The difference that we are going to be able to remove the friction between the cart and the track by using this air pump. This is right in here. Okay. Not only that, but we are also going to time how long the cart moves through a device that's set right in here. This is called a photo gate. Here you go, photo gate right in here. So this photo gate times how long the length of the cart takes to cross this path. And from there you can get the velocity of the cart. Okay, here you go. See, the cart is sliding. Here you go. Slide, slide, right? This shim that you have here is going to be your H, okay? And I believe I had a better slide, but that's okay. Let's work with this one. Let me see if I have a better slide presentation. Look mechanically. Lab material. Lab slides right in here. P37. Yeah, it doesn't look like I have a better one here. Unfortunately. Okay, so that's what we're going to be working on. I will step you through every I will walk you through every step of the experiment. Okay, so the equipment that we're going to use, here you go, equipment. Cart or glider, call it glider. Okay, we're gonna use also a track. Okay. Cart or glider, which will be placed on the top of the track. The track is a long one. You want to see it? Okay. Air pump and hose. What is the okay air pump or hose? What's the role of the air pump or hose? Is to remove the friction between the cart and the track by making it float, over the track. Okay. What else do we need? I need a shim. We are going to need a ruler, micrometer. I'll use a micrometer. Let's see what else we need. Oh, photo gate. Photo gate to measure time. Okay. Up to 1/10 of a millisecond with a resolution. Okay. With a resolution of 1/10 of a millisecond. 1/10 of a millisecond is what? 1, 2. That's 1 millisecond. And that's 1/10 of a millisecond. That's the resolution of my photo gate. Let me see if there is anything else. Let's see here. Photo gate, the shim. The shim has a height h. The cart has a length l. And you're going to need to measure the distance between the legs of the track, which is b. Let's go get see that the track has two legs here, and you need to measure the distance between those two legs that I call b. L is the length of the cart. The shim here is h. Did you get the spreadsheet? Okay, so let's go through the spreadsheet so you know what's going on here. But well, you know what? Let's get the equipment first, right? Let's get the equipment first, and then you work with the equipment. It's gonna be. I want two representatives of each group that are at the door. Okay, let's be careful with the equipment. Okay, this is what we bring. Equipment, track, 2 meter stick, let's see, track, okay, micrometer, let me get you the micrometer. What? Yeah, no, one, two, one 2 meter stick. Here you go. One, one, two, okay. Everybody have a ruler? Yeah, sure. Have a ruler? Now, so here you go. Let me track. We have the track. We don't have a cart yet, but you have the air pump and the hose. We have a 1-2 meter stick. We have a ruler. I brought the micrometer. I'm gonna give to you shortly. So what else is missing? There are other things that are missing, and they are here. Bottom gate. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 4, gate. Carts are here. Okay, whenever you're done, make sure you wrap it back. Like it. It's not all over the place. If you have a problem connecting this, you don't let me know, okay? A bunch of those power supplies. Okay, the carts. Carts are here. And the gliders, we call it the gliders. 1, 2, 3, 5. And those are the shims. Okay? That's what they're going to use to raise one of the legs of the track. So I'm going to show you the slide again so you can go through that. Okay, I guess that's all we need. So go ahead and pick up your stuff there. And shim photo gate. Am I forgetting anything else? Ah, power. Yeah. Lost track of what it is. Let me see if I can get it. Spring. P37 Lab, that's right in here. Download. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this one. Okay, here you go. Let's see. Yep. Okay, enable edit. Oh, gosh, lab notes. Okay, let's go through the slides again. Take a look at the. Take a look at everything, right? Here you go. You gotta hook up your hose to your track. Go ahead, hook up the hose to the track and the hose to the pump. So you start with the track. Okay.
You said B is the distance between the legs, right?
Huh?
You said B is the distance between the legs.
I don't know. You are talking about the hose?
B, like the length of B, is that the image that you have over there? You see B? That's the distance between the legs, right?
Yeah, between the legs. Yeah, that's right. The distance between the legs, B. Uh-huh. Why did I put those dots here? I wonder. Hmm. Okay, so that's the track, right? You go. Okay, this one right in here. Next, I don't need that. Okay, here's the distance between the legs. You gotta measure that with the meter stick. Let me get the. Here you go. That's B right in here. Okay, that's what you gotta measure. Don't forget to put the units. You don't worry about the resolution here. Don't worry about the resolution.
Meters or centimeters?
Well, you gotta do everything with the SI units. Meter, second, kilogram. Everything. If you measure in centimeters, you convert to meters. Everything is gonna be. Okay, so measure that. Huh. Connect hose. Hose. Pump. Cart. Oh, we're gonna get there. We're gonna have you done the other things? First do follow those this procedure here step by step. Don't photogate is the last thing that you have to worry. Here you go. L right in here. So let's see how you're doing there, right? I want to know. Here you go. Track. Start with the track. Next, measure the length between the legs and log in your spreadsheet. B, you log right in here. Everything in meters, kilograms, and seconds. Next, connect the hose. Next, connect the hose to the track. Connect the hose to the pump. You gotta power the pump too, right? Make sure you power the pump. I didn't put that here. Next, get the cart and measure the length of the cart with the ruler. And that goes right in here in the spreadsheet. Length between legs, length of the cart. Okay? Are you okay? Paper, yeah? Uh-huh. But just the raw data. Just the raw data. What's next? Everybody already measured the length of the cart? I don't need that. Measure shim.
Professor, are we supposed to measure the center of the legs to the center of the legs?
Let's see. Okay, I'm going to get this one here. Shim, that's the shim.
Professor, do you want us to measure the washer with the ruler or the micrometer, or what do we
I'm
use?
gonna get there. Yeah,
Oh, okay,
I'm
okay.
gonna get there. Okay, that's the shim. I call it the shim, not the. Let's see, where's that? Here you go. Okay, here you go. Track, 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 track. Okay. How are you doing there? Are you ahead? Are you behind? When you get here, when you get to measure the shim, let me know. You're gonna need the micrometer.
Where are the shims? They're the little, like, silver things.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let me see. Man, everything is getting. Oh no, I can't believe it. Someone broke it. See that? Everything was fine with me last Thursday. There must be another professor that came here and screwed it up. Okay, this one is good. But it wasn't like that. You see what happened?
Mm-hmm.
See? Lock it into place. Most likely they twisted it.
Right.
And 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 it was not that bad on Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
It was not that bad on Thursday. Which group are you?
Group 6.
6. Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Another one.
Group 3.
Okay, here you go. Anybody else?
Yeah, we need one. Also, Professor, where
Yeah.
is the shim?
Is the silver thing?
Yeah, but
See?
where
I,
is like
well, just
where?
there. I put 7 out there. You should have one. Unless someone got 2. Unless a group has 2. Look around. If you don't have one, maybe a group has 2.
Group 7.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
7? 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're one of them.
Okay. Yeah, this one is locked. Well, maybe you can use this. No. Nah. See that? We're one, two, three, four. Look how many that damaged. And I don't know how to fix that. Okay, this one you need to correct for calibration. Okay, the zero is not matching the zero,
Okay.
but you either subtract or yeah, you have to subtract. Okay, so here you go. You get it?
Yeah.
You find it?
Yeah, I find the shell.
Okay, let's see. Wow, this thing is completely off. But there was no. They were all calibrated when I came here on Tuesday and Thursday. A professor came, between Thursday and now,
This one's
and
calibrated?
a little bit, yeah. Check it.
Oh,
If it's not calibrated, just yeah. Everybody has a micrometer. Okay, from beginning, yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Okay, you go step by step. Right track. Just the track over the table. Next, measure the length between the legs of the track. Middle of the legs with middle of the other leg. Hose. Connect the hose to the track. Connect the hose to the pump. Connect the pump to the electricity. I don't show that here. Next, measure the length of the cart. It's better. And wait a minute. I'm gonna do differently here. The way you're going to do that, you're going to measure the length of the cart, but don't put over the track yet, because you can damage the track. Okay, do like that, and then you're gonna have the shim. Carton. Okay, I'm gonna put cart here. Cart. Here you go.
Professor,
Yeah.
on our spreadsheet it says resolution. Do we have to add that in?
No.
Okay.
No. Just I put that not applicable, right? Na.
Okay.
Okay. Go. Okay. Okay. Do you get all the measurements?
Yes.
Okay. Group one. Do you get all the measurements? H, L, and B. Group two.
Yes.
Group three. What's your group three? Yes. Group four.
Yep.
Okay. Group five. Yes. Group six.
Yes.
Group seven. Okay. So now you're gonna test the pump, right? Turn on the pump. You gotta connect to the power. And there's that knob, you know. You gotta put full power there. Make sure you put full power. It's gonna be very noisy, but that's okay. Man, that's noisy, isn't it? Huh? Why is it so noisy? What kind of noise is all the way up, okay? Okay. Turn on the pump. Turn on the pump. Never, place the card there when the pump is off, okay?
Like,
Turn pump on. Let's see. Pump on. Turn pump on. Place cart over the track. Oh, battery is running low. Okay, go. Yeah? You choose. You choose. You're gonna, let me see. We're gonna get there. Oh. Okay, cart. Okay, and what you're gonna do? What you're going to do? You're going to level the track. Level the track. That's the next. Level the track. How you're going to level the track? You're going to place the cart in the middle of the track. Here you go. Cart in the middle of the track. and see if the cart moves left or right while the pump is on. Okay, level the track. Watch it. You know, you want to adjust. For example, you need to adjust where here. No, adjust here. Adjust the height there. Okay. Don't remain stick. Well, you gotta pump all the way up. I don't think the height not is it? All the way like this. Okay, that's good. So let's test it. Yeah,
It's in case when you start it, it won't go or something. Then it'll drag around. So you try again.
are you good shape there?
Looks like that does too.
Okay, whenever you're done with leveling the track, let me know, okay?
Tell me when you think you got it.
Huh? You're in good shape? Okay, all the power up. Just keep on moving back and forth. It's okay to move back and forth, but it's not okay to go in a single direction.
But he said it's okay if it goes back and forth, but it's not like going one direction.
All the way up.
Yeah.
Keep on accelerating to the left.
Oh, counterclockwise. Yeah. I think Phoenix 11 on mine. I think 4. It was terrible. No, it was like high school physics, and I just needed the credits so I took it. But it was super easy. Like the teacher was whatever, or the professor, but he was real popular. He doesn't show you applications at all. He just shows you like how to get it. The professor keeps showing you like a bunch of examples, like telling you how to get it. And then it's better when he did all his examples. Like a real problem, yeah. Like they give data and then you use it. He just says here, do this. Yeah, figure it out. Yeah, I figured it out. Chilling. I was like talking to him. It's like they give you topics, and it's literally one thing. And you basically copy the whole thing.
And level. Keep on going back and forth.
What did I say? What? Oh, like at like amusement parks or something? Yeah, they're crazy. They pull everything off.
Okay, if your track is leveled, you can go the next step.
Why do you like bowling alleys?
After leveling the track,
Like,
you place the shim in one of the legs, okay? So the cart will be accelerated.
No, put it down the leg. The leg, yeah. One of the legs. Yeah, the leg.
if we're done with the micrometer, do we bring it back up? Or do
Yeah.
we still need it?
I don't think so. But keep it because if you didn't make the measurement properly, right? If you didn't measure properly, you're gonna use it.
You want us to put the shim on it?
Huh?
You want us to put the shim on it?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Are you trying to get it to hit or to not hit? Like those carnival games, you gotta get it just the right spot. That's perfect. Why don't you start back there?
Okay, let's next step. Now, here you go. Next thing, you're going to put the photo gate not at the very end, but just next to this, to the left of this other leg, okay? Here's the shim, right, on the other leg. You put on the photo gate on the inside of the other leg. Okay, that was the position of the photo gate is what I call the position Y. Let's go take a look here. Position Y. Right in here on the second table. See that? We are going to make 5 measurements of the position of the photo gate. Okay? We go. Everybody got it right? Okay.
On the inside?
Yeah, on the inside. Yeah, on the inside. So you have enough space here for the cart to pass. Here you go. That's how the photo gate looks like. The photo gate is something like that. You have a light source here, a light source that emits light that we cannot see. Invisible light is that infrared light, and on the other side you have a photo detector. I want you to play a little bit with the photo gate so you understand how it works. Okay? Let me get my photo gate. Play a little bit with the photo gate. Connect it to the power. Connect the photo gate to the power. I'm not going to connect mine, but let me do that. Here we go. Connect the power. Yeah, the power goes right here on the side. The power goes right here on the side. Huh?
I need a connection to the power.
Well, there was everything there. You know, I put 7 there.
Like there's only one to plug it into on the bottom.
What do you want to show me? I believe it has to have more than one there. Let's open it up. Okay, everybody, let's play a little bit with the photo gate.
Could you speak louder?
Huh?
Can you speak louder?
I can't hear you.
Same. It's the same thing. I cannot hear you.
Ah,
Can you speak louder?
yeah, speak louder. Me? Okay, okay, okay.
Both.
Play with the photo gate. I want you to play with the photo gate, okay? Power the photo gate. You power the photo gate right in here. Okay, there's a entrance for the. Everybody has it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do the following. Let's turn off the pump for now. It's too much noise. Let's turn off the pump, please. And let's play with the photo gate now. Okay. Group, now which group is that?
It's 3 or 4, I think.
Three or four, right? Oh, I believe it's four. Group four.
Guys.
Can you turn off your pump, please? Anybody else has a pump on? Okay. Better now, right? Now we can hear each other, right? Okay. So get your photo gate. Let's play a little bit with that. I want you to get familiar with the photo gate, how it works. Anybody has worked with the photo gate before? No? Okay. You have. Okay. Good. So teach the other kids. Okay. Help the other kids. Go ahead. Power the one end of your cable here and the other one in the power source, right? Plug it here, plug the on the power. Ready? There is here I'm gonna make a drawing here in the. Well, I'm not gonna make a drawing. Here you go. Here on the panel, right? There is a scale zero point 0.1 milliseconds and 1 millisecond. You can either slide to 0.1 or 1. Okay? Do you see the switch in there? Put on 0.1. That's the resolution of the device. You can change the resolution either for 1.1 milliseconds or 1 millisecond. We are going to use the best possible, the highest, the best possible resolution. Okay? Next, you know, put your photo gate on, I believe it's on gate. Okay? And make sure you reset, on the left side here. Put on, I believe it's on gate. Let's play with on gate, okay? We're gonna see. There are three settings: gate, pulse, and pendulum. We're gonna work with the gate. Reset it. When you reset, you should see 0 here on the screen. Do you see 0 in the screen? Right? Now your photo gate is ready to time how long it takes for an object to cross this this distance here. If you put your hand there in between those two places and look what happens to the timer there in the photo gate. And then take out your hand. Do you get anything there? Now 0 again. Play a little bit. Now pass your hand quite quickly. Just quickly. Okay? Reset it. I want you to get familiar with the photo gate. Are you doing that? Okay, I want you to learn how the photo gate works. You know how the photo gate works? Yeah. Okay, so it measures how long it takes for something to pass through the gate. Okay, what you have here, we have a light source, an infrared light source, and we have a detector. Let me see, the detector is one. I do not know which one is the detector. I believe the detector is this one, and this one is the light source. Just like the light source in your remote. Okay, if we interrupt the light source, we have a timer here that is triggered. Make sense? When we take your hand off, the timer stops. That's how it works. That's why it's called photo gate, because it uses a light source here that's interrupted. Okay? That's how it works. Make sense? It is as though as you're passing a laser beam between one point and another. You have a photo detector here. While the photo detector is getting the light, the timer is off. When you interrupt the light, then the timer starts. Take your hand out of the source, then the timer stops. That's how it works. Okay, how do they do that? I don't know. But that's how it works, okay? There are circuits out there that can time those things. Okay, now you can go ahead and place the photo gate here. That's going to be our position Y. You don't need to turn on the pump yet, right? Remember there is an x-axis along the track. Do you see I put the x-axis here? And we have a ruler. Oops, we have a ruler along the track as well. We have a ruler along the track. Take a look. A tape here along the track. See that? Yeah. What you're going to do, you're going to get your cart. You have the photo gate there, right? One more thing. When you pass your hand through the photo gate, there is a red light that turns on. Did you see that? Yes. Okay. So what you're going to do, you're going to get your cart. Okay, you're going to move closer and closer to the photo gate. Remember, you're measuring the position of the photo gate. You don't quite know yet, but this technique here that I'm going to close teach you, as you move your cart into the photo gate, the moment that the red light turns on the photo gate, that's going to be the position of the photo gate. You measure the position of the photo gate from, using the bumper, the front bumper of the cart. Let me get the, here you go. Track, right? Photo gate, and here is going to be my cart. You know, just before the light turns on here, the red light turns on here, that's going to be the position of the photo gate, which are going to measure with respect to the front bumper of the cart. There's a tape along the track, right? Here go tape, right? Do that 5 times. Okay, and don't move the photo gate. The photo gate is gonna, make sure you tape the photo gate there, okay, so the photo gate doesn't move. We have a tape. Let me bring you a tape. Tape is right here.
It's fine if I get the same exact measurement 5 times, right?
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, what else do we have to do? Take it out, put it back. Take it out, put it back, right? That's how you do is the cart. Front bumper of the cart will indicate the position of the photo gate. Well, that's the next thing. That's the next step. Now, okay, are you done? Did you get the position of the photo gate? Position of the photo gate goes here. That has got the position Y. Now you're ready. If you're done, you're ready to perform to start the actual experiment. Okay, here you go.
Where do we put the position of the photo gate?
Right in here, the second table. Right in here, 5 measurements. One,
And that corresponds to the measurement that's on the track.
huh?
The photo gauge measurement corresponds to the measurement that's on the track.
Yeah,
Okay.
the tape.
So it should be all the same.
Yeah, should be very close. Yeah, or slightly different.
Oh, okay. So my understanding is like oh okay, now I get it. One point eight nine nine four. When we measured up, we were measuring this. Okay, yeah. But that's 27. Right. 27 point. I got it. We need to measure it like this. No, I see it. 96.
All right. Yep. That's right. Drink more. Okay, are you ready? Not yet? So now you should start the actual experiment. What you're going to do next is to start the actual experiment. Are you ready yet? Dois, três, quatro, cinco, seis, sete.
So now we start. The tablet's kind of heavy, right? Yeah. Yeah. Professor,
Yeah,
when we record the time, how many? It was 0.1 milliseconds. What was it?
0.1 milliseconds. Yeah, the resolution.
So 0.0001 milliseconds.
Well, I wrote that down here, right? Here you go. I wrote that down here.
So 1.44.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. So once you're done, you're ready to start. the first thing that you're going to do is to release the cart. Turn on the power, right? The pump. First thing you're going to do is to release the cart from the highest possible point of the track. We are going to get 10 different points, okay? And you try to get, evenly spaced. Okay. Let me stretch those. Good. Okay, now I'm going to group that. Let me get a little bit spaced, like that. Okay. We're going to get 10 points. We're going to release this card from 10 different positions. This is going to be the first position, the second, the third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? That we're going to do. Release from this one, and you're going to time how long these lengths take to cross the photo gate. So, that's going to be the first time, and that's going to be the first position. Okay? The position you check by, measuring the position of the front bumper of the cart. Okay? With respect to that tape there in the track. So that's what the X is all about. T and X, right? Y minus X is the delta X. It's not the delta X, the distance of your cart to the photo gate. Okay? Which is going to be faster when you release the cart from here or when you release the cart from here? One's going to be faster, right? Because the distance is longer. It's going to be accelerated longer. Okay? If it's faster, the time is going to be shorter. The time to cross the photo gate is going to be shorter. Here you go. X2. Next one is X3.
Can we choose the points or do we go random?
Huh?
Do we choose the points on
Yeah,
our... Okay.
you choose on your own, but make sure it's better that you choose it evenly spaced. Do not make those points too close. Yeah.
So I don't understand how we're supposed to measure the length. So you said like put the cart on the track, but
Yeah.
what measurement do we take? Do we take like the?
The, here you go. You're gonna put the cart on the track.
Mm-hmm.
The photo gate is gonna be close by, right? The photo gate is gonna be
Okay,
close by,
I
right?
got that one, but like when we're gonna do our trials, like what's our X?
Oh, the X is the front bumper is going to be lined up with a measurement there on the track.
And it's okay. So like if we put it here and it lined up to 10, we would put
Yeah.
10.
Look, diameter is 14, right? 14.
Okay.
Okay, so you gotta choose 10 positions. 14 is gonna be the first one. Maybe 21 or 24 will be the second one. 1 to 10 measurements. Up to here. Up to there you go.
Last one would be like 130.
130, yeah, that's 130. 130, let's see, the first one can be 14, and then you take 8 more,
Okay.
8 more units.
Thank you.
Is that
Like setup.